So we just accidentally, inadvertently beached the boat. Somebody wasn't driving for some reason, and now we're stuck.
So we're back in Tin Can Bay, and we've been here for 2 days, and we all are desperate to leave again. We really want to go to the Whitsundays. So, while we're stuck here, I am going to try and sew the curtains. Yay!
Thanks Dad for making these things.
Just measure it. Ow, that's my foot. Don't do that. Okay. Can I measure now? Rusty boy.
So I guess I can let you do that. Over it.
I just want to.
Stop it. Stop it.
I just played with him and now you want him to stop.
No, she didn't play
I
with
never
him.
played with him.
He play with
I need Jenny. Star, go turn Jenny on.
Okay. White, go turn on Jenny.
Right, you coming?
Yes. Put your back into it, man. Yeah.
Here's my first curtain. We can almost go test it. Almost. I have to like tie some knots here because if you pull these out, it kind of doesn't really work anymore. I decided not to do a triple pinch pleat on these teeny little curtains. I thought it might be overkill.
But, Mom.
I am a big fan of a triple print blooper. I am a big fan of a.
Oh no, that doesn't need to be a blooper, Mom. I'm just gonna put that in there.
I still can't talk. Alright. I do this. What do you think?
Try opening and closing it. Cute. Now close.
Probably be a little bit shorter. Alright, so I'm going to sew the rest of these and put them all up and show you some pictures of after they're all finished.
This is our family. We decided to sell a house and buy a boat. Join us as we learn to sail and take this new adventure as a family.
Sail all our things and learn to sail. Sounds like the start of a good tale.
Better run over too many jet skis, it'll be fine.
So make the most of
Here's what happened.
every step.
What are we doing, Wyatt?
Well, we've started renovating this.
Yeah, what happened, by the way? Excited about going out?
Pacificae.
We come for the grand fitting of the rear sticker. Right, won't it first? There's some of that.
That's a bit, it's coming off on the side.
Yeah.
Not bad. Can I get lunch now?
All done. The first one. Only, how many more have we got to do?
Two big ones on the front.
2 big ones on the front. After being in Tin Can for a few days and getting the boat's davits looked at, we headed further up the Queensland coast again.
I think that's a child behind you. Look how small it is.
So we just accidentally, inadvertently beached the boat. Somebody wasn't driving for some reason, and now we're stuck.
Dad and I were trying to put the main up. Dad and I were trying to put the main up, and apparently nobody was steering while we were doing that.
Anyway, so yeah, we beached the boat, and I think that was all I got this for, so bye. So, we just got off after like half an hour, or less, like 15 minutes. So we are now off. I'm moving again. Off I guess. We're on the road again.
Alright, so we're coming past this yacht that is on its side. It's been beached. It looks like what's happened is that they've tried to cut the corner of a really shallow part that right now it was probably covered by water at the time, but they're still too far in the water to get past it, and they like beached themselves because they tried to cut the corner instead of doing what they were supposed to. And yeah, there are actual people on the boat, still on the boat. I think it only probably happened this morning or something. We heard radio chatter, so after a day or two of travel, we made it to Kingfisher Bay Resort and decided to check out the island. So we have parked just out there. I don't know if you can see us. I'll probably put it like a circle on it, but yeah. So we decided to stop for the night, and we are here at Kingfisher Resort. There are lots of awesome facilities. We get access to the pools even though we're not really paying to stay here. The restaurants, all that stuff. It's great. And it's like this island resort. It's pretty cool.
I don't think we're gonna leave.
Yeah, we might stay here for a while.
Bueno, sí, estamos aquí guarachando, descargando. ¡Ajá!
So since we can have power here, but we have to run the Jenny, we've decided to go to the resort. There was a nice little spot that we'll be able to sit down with our computers. I'm going to do some editing, we'll have to go play some Minecraft. It should be pretty fun. So yeah, we're just going to go to the resort and use their power for free.
Bye. See you in 2 minutes.
Boom. How do they do that nicely in real life? I don't know. Hey, we have set up our little study game nook thing. I hope you enjoyed the footage of all of the resort that we're staying at, and probably going to stay at it, so I don't know if we'll get some more next week. Unfortunately, we didn't get any underwater footage because our GoPro, well, we tried, and we killed our GoPro, which was great. It didn't seal properly. We've contacted GoPro about it, and they're going to take it and pressure test it or something to see if it was their fault or ours. we'll see from there. Hopefully it's their fault so we can get a new GoPro, because otherwise we're gonna have to buy a new one on us, and that's gonna be fun. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, and have a look at our socials. And thanks for watching. See you next week.